Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class. And today we will read chapter number 9, that is Climatic Zones of the Earth. First of all, let's learn about the heat zones. What are heat zones? We have learned, children, that the different places on the earth receives different amount of heat, and based on the amount of heat received, the earth is divided into three climatic or heat zones. The first one is the torrid zone. The torrid zone is located between the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. As you can see, this portion, this is the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. This zone is located close to the equator, so direct rays of the sun falls on it, and due to this reason the climate in the torrid zone remains very hot. The next zone is the temperate zone. The temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Let's see once again these zones. This is the temperate zone. The Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle. The zone that lies is northern temperate zone. Then the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The zone is called south temperate zone. The rays of the sun that falls on this zone are slanting. These areas always receive the slanting rays of the sun, and slanting rays heat up the surface area much less as compared to the direct rays, because they have to heat up a much larger surface area, and this is the reason. The reason is neither too hot nor too cold. The climate of the temperate zone can be described as the moderate type of climate. Now come to the frigid zone. The areas located between the Arctic Circle and the northern pole in the northern hemisphere and Antarctic Circle and the south pole in the southern hemisphere. Again, let's see in the figure. The place of, here you can see the frigid zone. This is the area located between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere. And this one, Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. This is called frigid zone. The rays of the sun that falls on this zone are even more slanting as compared to the temperate zone, and the frigid zone receives an even lesser amount of heat. Thus, the frigid zone remains very cold throughout the year. The heat zones help us to understand that as we move from torrid zone toward the frigid zone, as we move upward to the higher altitude, the temperature decreases in both the hemisphere. If we move from frigid zone toward the torrid zone, the temperature increases in both the hemisphere. So, to some extent, the climate of a country in the world depends upon the heat zones in which the country is located. Now, children, let's do some exercise based on the heat zones of the earth. The first one is multiple choice question. The first one is, what do we call the zone that is between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn? And your right answer is torrid. Second one, how many heat zones are there on the earth? The answer is 3 zones. Which of these receives direct sunlight? And the answer is equator. Which of the following remains very cold throughout the year? This is frigid zone. Now come to next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. The first one is the rays of the sun in the temperate zone is slanting. Second one, torrid zone is close to the equator. Third one, the rays of the sun in the frigid zone is very slanting. Fourth one is the climate of a country depends upon the heat zones. Heat zones in which it is located. So children, the climate of the country depends upon the heat zone in which the country is located. Now come to the last exercise, that is match the following. The first one is temperate zone and it will be matched with your option 4. Temperate zone has moderate climate. B1, torrid zone located between the equator and the tropics. Frigid zone, cold throughout the year. And polar bear lives in north frigid zone. You can find polar bear in north frigid zone. So that's all in this chapter, children. Thank you.